Hello, Flat Earth researchers, debaters and debunkers. With this flexible ruler representing the surface of the Earth, we are going to disprove the ridiculous notion that the heliocentric model and the spinning globe best fit reality. You'll often hear people argue that the heliocentric model is the best at making predictions and it fits with the observations and measurements that we can make on the Earth. But we're going to do two things in this very simple demonstration that completely disprove that and show that it is perspective of our subjective observations that are converted into an illusionary objective reality to have us believe that we live on a globe. And we are going to debunk or disprove that the Eratosthenes experiment somehow proves the circumference of us being on a globe Earth. And in fact, it doesn't fit with reality at all. So what we have here now is a miniature version of the Eratosthenes experiment. So again, we've got the curved surface of the Earth, and I've got this paper under it just so we can see the shadows more clearly in line with the curve. And when we shine a light on it, this is the kind of effect we get. We get shadows that do change in length and angle on this curved surface. But of course the heliocentric model has us with a very, very distant sun. So if I make that sun more distant and bring the shadows out, you can see that what actually happens is that the shadows do become more parallel and they become about the same length, which is not what we see in reality. What we see in reality is a close sun creating shadows of differing lengths, yeah? You can see that as I take the light source away, as is with the heliocentric model, then the shadows become the same length all across the Earth. That shouldn't happen. And if this light source was much, much bigger, we simply wouldn't get clearly defined shadows across the surface. That they just get longer and longer until they fade into obscurity because the light isn't reaching them any longer. So again, a local sun on a flat surface with shadows of varying lengths and angles completely fits